I know you value higher education and appreciate the importance of college access. You wouldn't be watching this clip if you didn't. But going to college is just the beginning at Shawnee State University. The SSU experience truly prepares students for a career in life. Small classes, accessible professors, student research, field experiences with faculty members. The Shawnee Fund makes experiences like these possible both in and out of the classroom, all while keeping tuition at Shawnee State among the lowest of Ohio public universities. This year in particular, with coronavirus, the Shawnee Fund has made possible student emergency grants, book grants, also technology grants for remote learning. Last year, the Development Foundation granted over $1 million in scholarships and also provided more than $850,000 in other institutional support for Shawnee State programs. Your gifts to the Shawnee Fund truly make a difference. Thanks for all you do to support Shawnee State University, and today an extra special thanks for your gift to the Shawnee Fund.